Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Life Snapshot. This is what we put up with in the Australian wildlife. These are plovers. They're protecting their babies right at the front door here. They'll swoop you. Alright, settle down. Settle down. So welcome back to our channel Life Snapshot. Please subscribe. We like doing this type of thing. This is how we live in Australia. It's kind of funny. They'll swoop you, man. If they get you, it'll hurt. Where's your kids? I know your kids are here somewhere. Come on, man. We lived together a long time. Whoa! Oh, that was close. Crazy, eh? What happens is the little chicks, the little babies, depending on how loud and what pitch, I'm guessing the actual mum and dad plovers noise they do. So if you walk near them, they get louder. The little chicks actually hide. Like they could be right here anywhere and you can't find them. They hide in the grass. They just stop and become completely still. So they're very difficult to see. But you know you're getting close when this happens. You know you're getting close when that happens. So they could be right here. You just don't know. So we're walking away, so they're a little bit calmer. So I'm guessing they're over here in the front lawn. So watch what happens when I walk this way. See? So I think they're up here on the top. On the top. Oh, here we go. It's hard to see which way they're going to come from. Oh, I think there's one right here. Whoa, that was close. That was very close. Here he comes. Whoa. Here he comes again. Oh. Oh. My goodness. One, like, I'm talking, you got to see it. It was so close to me, like here. They must be up there somewhere because I was walking towards there and they both went nuts. Meow. All right, I've upset them enough. We try not to upset them, but geez, they get annoying. All right, I'm going to go back inside, and they should get the hello. Oh, come on. Hello, Mang Mang. Minda Moo Moo. Come on, give me a break. So we'll go back inside and we'll see if we can see them. Wait there, stay there. We'll go back in here and we'll just see. I'm pretty sure they're on that top shelf there. See if you can see the babies. All right, so the mothers, they both calmed down now, and then the little chicks then know it's safe to come out. It's probably because they can see me through the window. Just waiting to see. I think there was 3 of them. man at night, but they're good little guard dogs, right? You know, you can call them guard birds, but they act like guard dogs. Like, we don't get many people around here, but if we do, someone walking around late at night, these guys start that chirping, and you can see that there's a little baby there, just popped up. See him? It's right there. He's popped up. He's right next to that thing there. There he is. There's a little baby there. Look at him. Da, da, da. That's him. I don't know if I'm getting a good shot here, but I'll just try and... You can see him there moving around. That's why they went ape shit when I went up close to it. I knew it was there somewhere. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate if you'd subscribe, like, hit the notification. Oh, there's two. There's the other one. There's the other baby. That's why they were going off their tree. Very cool. All right, everybody. Take care. Love yous. Bye.